Hello and welcome to English Coaching with Rachael. Today we're going to learn about the future perfect tense, when to use it, how to form it, and how to use it in real life situations. So let's dive in. We use the future perfect tense to describe an action that will be completed before a certain time in the future. How do we form it? We use will have plus the past participle. Don't forget you can use contractions of will as well to sound more natural. So, for example, by next week, she will have finished the assignment. They will have arrived before 9 p.m. We often use expressions like by tomorrow, by the end of the day, in the morning, in 2 years. Let's have a look at a visual. We're talking about an action that will be done at a future point. By 8 p.m. in the future, the action that will be completed, I will have finished my homework. So by 8 p.m., I'll have finished my homework. So imagine it's Monday and your manager says, by Friday, you'll have completed all of your training. Or you're planning a trip. We will have landed in Paris by 10 a.m. Oh, exciting. It's all about things that are done before a future point in time. Let's have a quiz. Fill in the blanks with the future perfect tense. You can use contractions as well. How did you do? Let's have some role play. Have a look at this situation and have a practice or do both roles yourself. Pause the video if you need to and try to create 3 to 5 future perfect tenses. You can do it. Let's have a look at some common mistakes. We've all made them. I will has finished. Should be I will have finished. She will have finished the project. Doesn't sound right, does it? It should be she will have finished the project. Remember, always use will have plus the past participle. Let's have a quiz. Choose the correct sentence. How did you do? Well done today. Now you know how to use the future perfect tense. Use it to talk about things that will be done before a future point in time. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to English Coaching with Rachael. See you next time. Bye for now.